Hello everyone. Welcome back in our channel, How to Use. Today we are going to teach you how to copy a text from photos in iPhone. First of all, you guys have to open your camera. Then click a picture of this dot. I am using this paragraph for explanation. You guys can click according to you. Now open this picture and press hold on screen. Now you can see this. Here it's coming copy and select option. Copy a text according to you. Now we will check whether text was copied or not. You guys can see this. We are able to paste text here. It's working. Subscribe our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.